Welcome to this short presentation, an introduction to the Leader Zen series LV5350. My name is Kevin Salvich. I'm the European Regional Development Manager for Leader Europe, based in London in the UK. And if you have any questions concerning this presentation or any Leader products, please don't hesitate to contact me. So the Leader Zen series consists of 5 products, and today we're going to take an in-depth look at the LV5350 waveform monitor. The LV5350 as standard is a 3G HD SD SDI waveform monitor. Its form factor is half 19-inch rack by 3 rack units in height, making it ideal for on-set production, for DITs, for camera assistance and viewing content on set. Also, it's ideal within a studio gallery for a vision engineer and an OB truck for vision engineers as well, and also MCR operation. The unit comes as standard with an LCD 1920 by 1080 HD touchscreen display. But for those who don't like touchscreen displays, it can be switched off and you have all of the hardware buttons accessing all the menu settings around the display. Function buttons allow you to navigate through the menu system. Power on off is via the button on the front panel. Input allows you to select either 1 or 2 inputs displayed simultaneously. External allows you to select the reference source. System allows you to go into the system configuration setup. Capture allows you to capture a screenshot or a frame of active video to USB memory stick. Memory allows you to store up to 60 preset configurations, and recall allows you to recall those 60 preset configurations. Shortcut allows you to navigate quickly to within the system menu for adjustments that you make frequently. Then you have the display modes, and that can either be waveform, vector, picture, audio, status, or the multi-display. There are also 3 knobs for making fine adjustment to the vertical and horizontal cursor positions. There is a USB port, numbers 1 and 2, and a headphone jack socket. On the rear of the unit, we have 2 BNC inputs, and input 1 can be upgraded to support 4K UHD operation via 12 gig or 6 gig SDI with the SCR28 license. We also have 2 reclock loop through outputs. An output 1 will display SDI 1 input right the way up to 12 gig, and it can also display SDI input 2. SDI output 2 will only display SDI input 2, but it does have a monitor output allowing you to display anything that's on the LCD display on the front of the device. And this is also the output for the test pattern generator option. There is DC power adapter and external sync inputs, 15-pin D-sub remote connector, and an Ethernet for Telnet, SNMP and HTTP monitoring. All of the Leader Zen series come with an ordering guide that allow you to follow some simple questions and allows you to build the configuration of the particular Leader Zen series product that best fits your operational requirements. Hardware options, as well as the AC adapter, there is also a battery adapter, SCR11 for the V-mount battery type, and SCR12, which is the QR Gold battery adapter. For customers who want to rack mount the LV5350, there is a hardware rack mount adapter that allows 2 units to be rack mounted side by side, and there is also a blanking panel if you're only mounting one. Software licenses. SCR20 is the audio analysis function. As standard, the LV5350 will display level meters for the 8 channels of embedded audio. If you require a Lysidue display, surround sound or audio status, you will need the SCR21 option. Closed caption analysis, SCR21 supports both SMPTE, Arab and teletext. SCR22 is the CIE colour chart, and for those of you familiar with Leader products, the CIE colour chart was previously only available on our high-end units. It's now available as a software license for the LV5350. High dynamic range, SCR23 uses the Leader Cinezone HDR false colour display and operates with S-Log3, hybrid log gamma, PQ, C-Log and Log-C. SCR24 is an SDI test pattern generator. SCR25 is a focus assist that uses a false colour display to highlight areas of the picture that are not necessarily in sharp focus. SCR26 is the customizable layout, and this allows you to display up to 16 different tools in a freeform position anywhere on the display. SCR27 is the camera ID, iris and tally, which gives you information of the camera and integration into the tally system, so you can see program, preview and also camera ID. SCR28 is the 4K UHD TV license, which allows you to view both 4K and UHD signals via either 12 gig or 6 gig. And finally, there is the extended vector display. So thank you once again for joining us. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. Please like this video and subscribe to the Leader Europe YouTube channel for more updates.